Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? So guys, this is a very important session because generally you have seen the session where you would be getting the history, where you would be getting that at what marks and ranks students got the PSUs, student got the MTech admission. But this is, I'm going to tell you about at what rank you can expect the PSU or MTech into IITs or ISCs for GATE 2023. So the exam is about to come, you know that. So definitely you must be clear about your target. If you are looking for PSUs, if you are looking for MTech, so definitely you must be knowing that how many marks you need to cover, how much rank you have to score. Yes, Prudhvi, hello dear, Anu, good evening, Sachinadan, good evening. So we are moving guys for that. So this is some detail about me. I am having around 10 plus years of experience and cracked GATE many times, and also these are my areas of interest. So guys, today is very important session. But before we start the session, I would like to tell you one very important point. Parth, good evening dear. So if you are preparing for GATE 2024, along with the college or job, definitely many students find difficulty that how to prepare with the college because semester exams comes, college timing is there. If you are doing job, then also the same issues are coming. Okay, so I would be giving you some wonderful tips by using which you can score single double digit rank in GATE 2024 along with your college or job. The workshop would be live at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow, 10th January, on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. You can register for this workshop. Link is there in the description box. Yes, Parth. So let us move further. Guys, if you have not joined my Telegram channel, join the channel that is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sir. In that you would be getting daily classes. Yes, Khushbu, good evening. You would be getting daily classes, daily dose, important question, latest information about the exams. Okay, so you would be getting all these things on my Telegram channel. So guys, you know already Maha Marathon series is going on for civil and mechanical on this channel, and it have been started from 3rd of January. Every day we are completing one subject. So guys, this is the schedule, and tomorrow will be the top 100 expected question we are going to cover, and then after that I will be meeting you for tone and vibration. Okay, and that would be there on 12th of January. After that, once again I will be meeting you for machine design. Okay, so this is how we are going to meet. So guys, just like and share the session so that others can also join in. So first of all, we will be talking about qualified, non-qualified, qualified versus non-qualified student versus topper. Generally, whenever we are talking about this examination, people are thinking that, sir, how many people are appearing, how many are going to qualify. So guys, I would be telling you everything with the data of previous years. So if you see total, whatever be the number of student appears, 83% student do not qualify this exam, and only 17% are able to qualify. But it doesn't mean that exam is going to be difficult. GATE examination is not difficult, but it is different. Okay, if my dear you would be thinking that maybe sir, the qualifying marks are very high, that is why the students who are unable to crack this exam. So it is not like that, guys. If you will see the cutoff, I will be showing you, it is very less number of marks, and definitely students can go for that. But then why this less percentage of qualified student? The reason is, my dear, every student who fill the form do not appear in the exam, and every student who appear in the exam have not prepared well. So guys, maybe 100 students, if they are filling, not more than 20 students are serious from that. And if 20 students are serious, out of that, if you are saying 70, then a very good result, I will say. When you were preparing for IIT JEE or NEET, at that time the scenario was you have to go to college. For that you have to appear for the exam, and you have to attempt it seriously so that you can get into something. But when you are doing BTech, then GATE is not the only way to go. Then you are having many other ways. Some people may be going for CAT, some people may be going for directly job, but the same thing was not present at the 12th class. That is why when we are talking about IIT JEE paper, okay, IIT prelims and mains, whatever you are going for, and GATE, that is the difference. That is why here every student who is going to fill the form is not that much serious. So their competition was more. Here it is less, obviously, because whatever the students are coming from that exam, they are now you can say divided into different branch. So let us say previously 100 students were serious for this IIT JEE exam. Out of that, maybe 20 in mechanical engineering. Out of 20, maybe 10 get job, maybe 5 are looking for some other kind of things like SSC JEE, SSC CGL, or maybe UPSC. Then my dear, how many are waiting for MTech and PSU? So that number is getting reduced because of multiple reasons. So guys, we are moving further. So the point is 70% student qualify, but this data should not make you worry, okay? And my dear, now out of that, some top 100 students, generally students are having target of. So let us move further, guys. Now I am showing you the data. As I said, everything in this session will be with the data. So if you see, my dear, this is for mechanical. I am telling you for GATE 2022 data. If you see GATE 2022 data, if you see it properly, you will get the right idea. You will get the correct idea. How many students have registered? Registered means they have filled the form. So if you see 1,26,979, this is the number of students who have filled the form. So when they have filled the form, you might be thinking, sir, those much must be appeared. No. If you see, only 89, not even 1 lakh student appeared for the exam. So appeared is very less as compared to the registered. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि around more than 34,000 कैंडिडेट गए ही नहीं पेपर देने. They have not even appeared. They have not even appeared for the paper. So this is the first thing which I want to tell you. So it shows the seriousness of the candidate. So don't worry about 17% because very few students are serious for that. तो आप देख सकते हैं how many students have not even appeared. And now those who have appeared, from that 15,282 is qualified ones. But now you would be thinking, sir, it is what is the qualifying marks for that? So I would like to say that qualifying marks in GATE 2022 was only 28 marks. You know, whenever आप यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में लिखते हो तो मिनिमम 40 मार्क्स आपको सिक्योर करना होता है. मिनिमम 40 इज रिक्वायर्ड इन यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम, बट हियर you need only 28 marks. But the point is, there you have to only pass the exam. Here we need not to only qualify the exam, because this 28 marks do not give you guarantee for any PSU, do not give you any guarantee for IIT's MTech, do not even guarantee you for NIT. But yes, they can give you guarantee that you are eligible to go for admission for MTech. You can apply for PSUs, but at these marks you are not going to get, that is for sure. But definitely qualifying GATE is very easy. Still only 17% shows that very few students are really interested for the exam. So guys, that is first thing I would like to tell you. So maybe qualified percentage is only 17%. But as I said, competition is very less. Very few students who are serious. You can see that this difference is very, very important point. Okay. So guys, we will see some other data. You may be thinking, sir, maybe GATE 2022 exam was difficult. In other years, cutoff may be higher. You are hiding the things from us. So guys, it is not like that. I am showing you the data for last 4 years, not only for general category, for all other category. So, okay, Parth is asking something. Sir, okay. He's asking something. Let me wear the glasses. So he's asking that, sir, at PDPU for mechanical MTech only qualified marks eligible. Yes, Parth, for PDPU, if even you got 30-35 marks, you just qualify the GATE, you will be getting the admission. Even in any GEC of Gujarat, you can go, even any government engineering college of all over India, you will get admission within 40 marks. Even now you can expect some new NITs, there also you will get in 40 marks. Okay. Yes, Manish Jain, sir, for EWS. Dear, for EWS, you can assume somewhere in between general and OBC. Okay, you can assume somewhere in between these two. Okay, so when we are talking about for GATE 2022, cutoff was 28.1. This was for general category. For OBC 25 and for SC ST 18. If you want to know the range from my side, I would like to say for general category, it is always varying from 28 to 34 marks. So you can say on the more safer side, if you are getting between this range, this is the range of qualifying exams, qualifying marks for a general candidate. And less than 10 marks to that is for SC ST. Like here 34, here 22, here 28, here 18. So you can see 10 marks lesser would be required for an SC candidate, for OBC lying in between. Okay. So for OBC you can expect the range to be generally from 25 to 30. This is the range for OBC. Okay. Manish, are you getting? Stress got increased. Vijay Sai is saying stress got increased. This is to reduce the stress actually, Vijay. Okay. So if you see this marks, you can see every year the trend remains more or less same. Yes, 2022 exam was different than others. That is why here cutoff reduced drastically because of the level of paper. So if good paper comes, it is always good for the students, but only if only one set is there, which is true for GATE 23. If more than one set, then there is problem with the student who got difficult set. Okay, but this year you are very lucky. You have only one set, so every student will be judged by the same paper. That is the best thing about GATE 2023 for mechanical students. So guys, if you see this data, you can get an idea that qualifying GATE is not a difficult thing, but with the qualification, you are eligible for applying anywhere in PSUs or MTech. But what you can get here, after qualification, you will surely get MTech admission in any government engineering college of India. I cannot guarantee you for NIT, IIT, but for new NIT, chances are there. Okay. Then what is required for IITs? What is required for IASCs? What is required for good NITs? What is required for PSUs? That I am going to tell you in the upcoming slide, guys. Let us see one by one. Now I am showing you first of all the topper marks. Obviously, many students want to know, sir, what kind of total marks a topper can get into that. So if you see in GATE 2022, the topper got 90 marks. In 2021, AIR1 was having 93.22 marks. In GATE 2020, the marks was 86.88. In 2019, it was 94.75. So you can see anywhere between 88 to 95, AIR1 is getting. 88 to 95 generally AIR1 is getting. Sir, for old IIT thermal, I am telling you, Vijay, in the next slide. In the next slide, I will tell you that. Okay, so just wait and watch. And guys, do like and share the session. I want more and more students to join live. This session will give you an idea for what marks you have to look for GATE 23 exam. So guys, for AIR1, generally these are the marks. Okay, so that will give you an idea that more or less they are very nearby marks all the times. Okay, so this is for the topper marks. Now my dear, I am telling you for different single digit, double digit, what are the expectations for mechanical. If you are looking for single digit rank, then my dear, you have to score 90 plus. In mechanical, this I am telling you based on the experiences of previous paper. Some of you may think, sir, what if paper is very difficult? So guys, that kind of exception may happen, but in every exam, some exceptional students are also there. Like if you see the GATE 2022, if you see GATE 2022, highest was 90, whereas in 2020, highest was 86.88. But cutoff was lesser in 22, more in 2020. So maybe there was some student who secured that much marks. So some exceptional students are always there. They reach to this range. So guys, whether paper is difficult or easy, single digit rank, you would be requiring, I am saying 90 plus is on the safer side, but the chances are from 85 to 90, if you are getting, then also you can be a single digit rank holder. Okay, then my dear, if you are talking about 10 to 50, or you can say for double digit, then you need to score more than 85. Okay, so more than 85 will give you guarantee of either single or double digit. But don't worry, to get into PSUs, to get into IITs, you need not to be always only in double digit. If you are in single and double digit, then it is confirmed you are going for some PSU. It is confirmed you are going for whatever you want. Okay, even triple digit is a secure rank in GATE for mechanical peoples. I will be showing you how. So my dear, if you are looking for 100 to 200, 80 to 285, if you are looking for 200 to 500, 79 to 82, looking for 500 to 1000, 75 to 79. So if you are getting 75 plus, you are going to have a triple digit rank at least. So any student must have the target of this. If you are looking for the best IITs, the best branches, the best PSUs, the best you can say IISc or NITI Mumbai. So if you are looking for best opportunity, you must secure 75 plus. So Vijaya, you are asking, I am telling you, for old IITs, if you are getting this score 75 plus marks, there are fair chances you will be getting the branch and college of your choice. Okay, even up to this marks, their possibilities are there for NITI Mumbai also, for PSUs also. So that is why at this score right now, nowadays, IIT you will definitely be getting, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, and in that thermal branch you will be getting. Okay, but there you need to appear for their exam also, their interview also. That is the rule, that they are taking separate exam and interview also. So after appearing for that, 70% weightage is with GATE score, 30% weightage is with their exam or their interview. Once that's really great, Shreyas. Design is the top branch, Shreyas. First is design, second is thermal, third is manufacturing. Parth, I got 45 marks in test. Can I go up to tier? Definitely. Because if you are getting 45 plus, you have 1 month first of all. In this 1 month, you can reach from 45 to 60, 65 easily. And whatever you are getting in test series, generally 10, 15 marks are coming more if you are going in right direction. Okay. So definitely you have to go for that. Shreyas, if you are getting 75 plus, you will get design or thermal both, because design and thermal are having very close cutoff rank, very close cutoff score. Okay, design is at first, second is thermal, their gap is very less, only 2 to 3 marks difference is there for both the branches. Okay, moving further guys, if you are looking for 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 5000, 5000, 10,000, this is the range. If you are looking for 50 plus, then my dear, also 50 plus will give you a good NIT with a good branch. Okay, so if you are scoring 50 plus, then also you can look for a good NIT MTech. Okay, this is for 50 plus. For 75 plus, I will say PSU or top IITs. Top IITs. Okay, that is the thing. And if you just qualify, then you can go for a government engineering college, MTech in all over India. Definitely you will get it. Sir, for top PSU, how many marks should we secure? Now I just said, if 75 plus, you will go to PSUs. If you are looking for PSUs like NTPC, IOCL, which are Maharatna companies, then under 200, 300 rank, you can say marks actually every year changing, as I said, because it depends on the level of paper. But I will say yes, if you are scoring 75 plus, you are having the chance to go into that. For security, 78 to 80 marks or more than that will give you the surety that you are going to get into NTPC, IOCL or that. Okay, generally their cutoff lies between 78 to 82 marks. Okay, for yes, for other PSU also I will tell you. Now my dear, I would be showing you the list. When peoples were giving the exam in 2021, because of COVID situation, very few PSUs have taken the candidate from that. That I will show you, Vijaya. Just wait. Actually, in the next slide, I have all these things. So just wait for this slide. Okay, then your doubt will be clear. Hello, Teju. How are you, dear? So, guys, very less PSUs were there at the time of GATE 2021. So the reason was the COVID era at that time. So because of that, also it happens when 2022 students were filling the form, they were not having positive vibes. Because even you won't believe, because in 21 PSUs were less, student thought in 22 also they will be less. And the point is, till the exam came, none of the PSUs have said that we are going to take candidate. You will see for GATE 2022, vacancies start coming in May or June. Before that, vacancies were not there. Students were in a dilemma that what will happen this year. And you won't believe, the bumper vacancies are coming in GATE 2022. Even 2-3 days back, or I will say from 4th or 5th of January, NHPC have given around 401 vacancies, where more than 100 vacancies are only for mechanical. Now, if you count, the number of vacancies will be touching 500. 500 means up to 500 is definitely going to get PSUs, because 100 here, NALCO also having very good number, then ONGC was having very big number. Now GALE is inviting to those candidates who are already doing job in some of the PSUs or oil companies. They have 1 year experience. Some will go there, some more seats will be empty now. So guys, similarly you have seen SAIL have given a large number of vacancies, ISRO have given, DRDO have given. So in GATE 2022, this list once again went very long. First of all, IOCL, KIOCL, then NTPC, ONGC, NHPC, THDC, CIL, SAIL, Damodar Valley, DRDO, ISRO. DRDO have taken their own exam. That's why star mark is there. ISRO have also given the vacancy for 22 candidates. And my dear, for 23 they said they will take their own exam. Then HPCL was having 104 vacancies for you guys. And BHEL also have given a number of vacancies, around 100. Then my dear, you will say NALCO. NALCO was having more than 50-60 vacancies for you. So in GATE 2022, there was a huge list for the PSUs, and that is why you will see the cutoff marks have been drastically changed from 21 to 22. And you won't believe, some of these PSUs have already announced that they are going to fill a number of seats from GATE 2023 also. Like I would like to tell you, if you see this list, these are some of the PSUs which are always there with the GATE. Okay, BARC is always there with the GATE. Okay, so my dear, HPCL, HAL, BHEL, they are taking exam every year. You know that HPCL last year 120 seat for mechanical, 2022 104 seat for mechanical, and now this year definitely we can expect similarly 100 plus seat for mechanical. So my dear, if you see this ONGC, and now I would be adding GALE also in the list, because just yesterday I have seen the notification for that. Okay, there are some other EIL, NMDC, ECIL, BIS, MDL, BYJU'S. They do not give every year, but last 2 years they have not given. So there are fair chances this year they will also be giving. That's why I have kept them in one box, because they are no 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 6, even if 2 gives, that is going to increase this list a lot. Okay. Then my dear, NPCIL, this is a wonderful PSU. Because of this, you will not believe, in GATE 2022, some of our students who was having around 700 rank, they got selected into NPCIL, because NPCIL is also taking from the GATE. Then you can see NALCO. NALCO have given last year also very big vacancies. So for 23 also we can expect a large number of vacancy. Haryana government filling their SDOs from the GATE scorecard. So guys, this is the list I am showing you. This is small only. It is going to increase further, because after COVID era we have seen the number of vacancies in PSUs have been increased drastically. The candidates who are giving GATE have reduced drastically. So it is going to be win-win situation for you, those who are appearing for this year, next year, or who have appeared for 2022. For 2022, DRDO have given 150 vacancies for you guys. 150 is a big number. Now IRMS is also starting taking. They are also giving 30-40 vacancies. So now the number of vacancies are coming like boom. And it is, I can say, idea of the people's. They are saying that till 2026, they are going to be at peak. Mechanical branch opportunities will be at its peak. So guys, those students who have enrolled in last 2 years, they are going to see a large number of vacancies in their time. So I feel this is a very good news for all the mechanical engineers. Now I am coming on to this cutoff for PSUs. Vijaya, I will be coming for MTech also. And this, whatever I am showing you, is whatever I have written here is lesser than what really happened. So if I talk about 2021, very less PSUs were there. So those students who got AIR up to 300 in general, 415 OBC and around 615 SC/ST, only they got opportunities in PSUs. Okay, only they got opportunities for PSUs. In GATE 2022, why I am writing expected? GATE 2020 तो हो चुका, PSUs भी आ गई. Why I am writing expected? Because like just 4 days back, NHPC have given 100 plus vacancies. So their procedure have not yet been completed. So we don't know up to which rank it will go. But my idea is this is for surety I am writing. This I am writing for surety. Otherwise, I can say this 550 may go up to 700. Because I know some of the students who got rank from 600 to 700, like 638, one of my student, he got selected into PSUs. 538, our vision batch student Nikhil Bhatia, he got selected into NPCIL. So if you see that list, I am damn sure that it may reach up to 700 AIR that students are going to PSUs when I am talking about GATE 2022. Yes, Ramesh Mon. Yes. Because MEPL is pending, NHPC is pending. Even I am saying 700. Somewhere inside my heart, I have a feeling that it may go beyond as well. Okay. So that is why I said, if you are scoring 75 plus, your career is secured. Then my dear, if you see 750 for OBC, around 950 for SC/ST. Now my dear, for 2023, so my expectations are still less. I am writing 700. But I am saying from my inner, this is for surety. I am saying that itna to hoga hi hoga. And if everything goes well, I can guarantee you that up to 1000 AIR, you are going to get call into some of the PSUs for sure. Okay, that I can guarantee you. But this is the surety. This is if everything goes fine. Now COVID problem shall not happen again. Everything goes in the right direction, right? It is going, then definitely chances are that you will reach to somewhere here. But if you do not get the PSU for surety, but up to this, if you are getting, your career is secured, you would surely be getting something very big for which you have given the GATE examination. Okay. So my dear, for OBC, if I will say, you can increase 200 up to 900 and up to 1100, I will say. This is for surety point of view I am saying. Because number of vacancies are increasing year by year, which is a positive sign for all mechanical engineers. Okay. Now I am talking about cutoff for MTech, IITs, ISCs in 2023. When I am saying IITs, ISC, there are two things. One is old, other is new. So if I am talking about for old IITs, then my dear, if you are looking for the top branches like design, thermal, then surety is there up to 500 to 600 AIR. Okay. And if the number of PSUs are going to increase much, a very good example we can see that, like you study in the strength of material, the same example, if you see, you know that if this is bar 1, this is bar 2. Okay. And my dear, if that is the case, if you are going to have a load acting on this bar, then my dear, if this bar is getting deformed, then this bar is also getting displaced. So whatever elongation is happening here, the same will be the displacement happening for bar 2. So if number of PSU seats are going to increase, definitely here also it would be very impactful. That also will suddenly increase. But this I am saying only for good branches. Good branches may I will say only two, that is thermal plus design. So previously under 300, 400 AIR it was confirmed. Now I am saying it would be confirmed within the first or second counseling which is happening. Okay. If you're talking about OBC, it would be going up to, you can say, 900 or 1000 AIR. Here you can say from 1200 to 1500 AIR. You will be having this. So this is I am telling you for the top branches. Okay. If you're talking about new IITs like IIT Indore, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Mandi, so IIT Jodhpur, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Gandhinagar, then my dear, for that even I can give you guarantee that if you are going to score around 2000 AIR to 2500 AIR, you would be having the chance to go into new IITs or old NITs. I am saying new IITs or old NITs. And even if you are getting score, actually these IITs are taking not based on the GATE score, they are taking based on not taking based on rank, they are taking based on GATE score. But this is I am telling you how the cutoff is going with respect to all India rank. It would be easy for you to understand, because GATE score is calculated with some formula which is having the term of number of candidates appeared, number of candidates having some average marks. So a lot of difficult formula is there. So that is easy to remember that this is the range of ranks where you have the chance to get into. Prabhakaran is asking for NIT, sir. Sir, for PN, how much have to score? For P&I, how much have to score? Are you asking about P&I paper? So in P&I paper, even if you qualified, you would be under 500, 600. Okay. If you get rank up to, you can say 100 or 115 P&I, secure admission into IIT will be there. For NIT, even more than 200 would be fine. Okay. So if you are talking about this for new IITs and old NITs, this should be the rank. And if you are looking for any NIT, for any NIT, even from 5000 to 7000, you would be getting good branch. I am telling you good branch. Otherwise, if you are looking for the branch like cloud technology, that even a student with 27,000 rank can get into IISc. Okay. If you are looking for a non-core branch like cloud technology, that kind of branch, even 17,000, 27,000 rank student got admission into IISc. So we are not talking about such branches. Okay. Yes. Path the same. New IITs, old NITs. This is the range. If you are talking about Trichy thermal, then my dear, I will be restricting you up to 1500, because you are saying top NIT, the first rank IIT, first rank branch. So for that, up to 1500 you have fair chance. After that, you can get the chance if you are lucky. If some of the students leave their seats, then chances are there. Otherwise, for thermal it is less. I am giving you guarantee for a good branch. Good branch means design, thermal or production. Okay. I am not saying that only design or only thermal. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Vijaya, sir, all IIT have interview or written. Will any direct admission was there, sir? Dear, some of the IITs can give the direct admission to the top rankers. Like I remember at our time, IISc was giving top 50 ranks direct admission. Okay. So direct admission is there at very good ranks. NITs takes direct admission, but IITs generally takes either test or interview or both. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? So guys, just like and share the session. This session was to give you an information. I am giving you a kind of, you can say, at the last I will give you a conclusion that if you are scoring 75 plus marks under 1000 rank, then you have surety that you would be getting something good. I'm not saying PSUs, but PSUs or IIT or IISc or NITI. This is the chance. Okay, 75 plus. Second, if you are talking about 60 plus and if your rank is below 2500, then you would be in old NIT or new IIT or old IIT other branches other than core. Okay, this is the conditions. And if you are looking for 50 plus, you will get some of the NIT, some NIT. Okay, and if you are looking for 40 plus, you may get new branches, new NIT or government engineering college. Okay, 40 plus means if you qualify the gate. I am saying that. Can I choose other branch other than mechanical like cyber security? Yes, Shreyas, you can go for that. Nowadays, many students are doing like that. From mechanical, civil and other branches, they are going towards artificial intelligence, robotics and mechatronics and data sciences. One of my student who got 900 rank and he is doing masters now from NIT Warangal or Trichy in the data sciences. Okay, so I don't remember exactly, but actually this is second year going on. So Shivam is the name. If you want, I can give you such contacts also if you want to know about them, that how their degrees are going on, because GATE scorecard is valid for 3 years. So he have done job for 1 to 1.5 years, then joined there for MTech. Okay, so this is how you can get the benefit. Yes, with the mechanical paper only, Vikas. Okay, sure, yes, you first give the GATE examination. After GATE, you ask me, I will share the contact, because after GATE only you would be taking the admission. So after that, it is beneficial to talk to someone where you want to go for. Okay. Ha, Sanjay, the same I will say for NIT Surathkal. Top 4 NITs are NIT Trichy, NIT Warangal, NIT Surathkal and NIT Calicut. So what I am saying, the old NITs, I want to say majorly Warangal, Trichy, Surathkal, Calicut. These are the 4 topmost old NITs. Vijay, actually last year it was a concern, it was an issue of concern, but some of the NITs even accepted the XC scorecard also. So some of the NITs have accepted XC scorecard also. So yes, definitely when you will be filling the form of CCMT, then based on your paper code you will get the choices. But yes, last year from even XC they have taken, so obviously P&I they will be accepting. But because as I said, number of candidates reduced, so now you have fair chances to get admission into MTech even at higher ranks. This is, I'm not saying to lose your preparation. This is, I'm saying, even if your preparation is somewhere in middle, you can try well. Maybe some 4 or 5 marks reach you from NIT to IIT. So once again, I am telling you, tomorrow is the workshop for GATE 2024 candidate. Register for this free workshop, 7:30 p.m. 10th January. You can attend this and there you will get how to prepare with college and job. Okay, I will be giving you some wonderful things. So job opportunities for NITs are good or not? They are not that good as IITs are there, but definitely only few students are there who do their MTech seriously. If after getting admission into NIT, you are not serious in MTech, you are doing your preparations only, for that case definitely you shall not accept anything from NIT. But definitely once you have a tag of that, you have better options than what you have right now. Okay, so if you do MTech seriously, then definitely I can assure you that you will be getting 1 to 2 chances to sit into some very good companies interviews. Rest depends on how you perform in interviews and written test, but you will get the chance for sure. Even I got the chance into 2. I selected in both, one company, one college. So definitely you will also get the chance. Can we use 2 paper if we get 2 ranks, ME and PI? Dear, definitely you can go for that, but when you will be filling for CCMT, you go for that one which is having good rank or good score, because NITs take from GATE score. So if you are going for NITs, go for the paper where you have very good score. Okay. Even you can go for mechanical XC, mechanical PI or PI XC, but mechanical you must give, I will say that. Okay. Vijaya, is it fine? Prudhvi, sir, for ISC top college. ISC only one is there, na? If you're talking about ISC Bangalore, ISC Bangalore, for that I will say under 200, 300 rank you shall have. Because ISC even 300 is not guaranteed because very few seats are there. But up to 300 chances are fair. Rest 1-2 seats may be there for some student, because here 30% weightage is for written and interview also. So maybe some student perform very well there. So maybe at higher rank he can get, but generally up to 300 chances are there. Surety is there only at under 100 rank for ISC. Okay, because many students want to go there. That is why what I said here is collectively for IISc, IITs. Okay, that is why. And in the branches like cloud technology, as I said, even 15,000 rank student can go. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? So don't forget about the workshop. Those who are looking for GATE 24 with job and college, join me tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. and you can also register for the workshop. It is a free workshop. Then my dear, you can join the Telegram channel to get the notes, daily dose, notification of exams and the forms, PDF of the sessions. Okay. And I will also be sharing some short notes for revision purpose. Okay. So any other doubt if you want to have, please ask. I will be answering you. So I already told you, even if you just qualified, you have some chances there. I hope you got everything. Okay. Then you know Mahamarathon is going on. From 3rd January it is going on. And we are going to meet on tomorrow Tuesday we will be having a practice session where 100 questions would be there. And then Thursday will be tone plus vibrations, and Saturday would be machine design. Saturday would be machine design. So there will be interview rounds to get into IIT. Yes, Prabhakaran, IITs generally takes interviews, and even some IITs are taking written exam also after GATE. But 70% weightage is to the GATE score. 70% weightage is to the GATE score, and rest 30% is for test plus interview. Test plus interview. Okay, 70% weightage is there for the GATE score. So if you are doing well here, then my dear, here you need not to worry much. Okay, and if you are doing here average, then you need to do here very nice, wonderful things you need to do here to get this more than 25, 27 from 30 marks. Is it clear, Prabhakaran? So this is the case for IITs, but for NITs, 100% is GATE score. 100% is GATE score. Even PSUs take 30% for other activities. So goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for joining. We will meet again tomorrow for the practice session. Goodbye. Good night.